everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss stacked column chart. In our last video we are already discussed about the column chart, and in this video we are going to discuss about stacked column chart. Okay. So now, if you watched my last video, so this is our main Power BI desktop, and here we have the chart which we discussed in our last video. Okay. So I am deleting this chart. Okay, just removing this chart and creating a new stacked column chart. Okay, we are using the same chart for stacked column chart and column chart. Okay, now this is my data set. Okay, and I already discussed how you can load your data in Power BI. Okay, and how you can clean your data in Power Query Editor. So if you do not watch my last videos, then go and watch that videos fast. Okay, so here is my chart. Okay, now I want to create a stacked column chart. So basically, stacked column chart is useful to visualize multiple dimension against a single measure. Okay, so let me show you how to create a stacked column chart. Okay, so for that, as I mentioned, that it is useful to visualize multiple dimensions against a single measure. So here sales is our single measure which we put in our y-axis. Okay, so here you can see the column is shown in this chart, okay, which is the sum of sales, and in x-axis I am putting my subcategories. Okay, in x-axis. So here you can see the sales according to subcategories. Okay, this was our first dimension. Now I want to see the sales of each subcategory in a particular regions. So I put this region into a legends. Okay, so here you can see that the stacked column chart is used to represent multiple dimension of against a one measure. How you can create it. Okay, or if so, here you can see that if you click here is a focus mode. So on focus mode, so here you can see that in this visualization pen, these three were important things for creating a visual. Okay, now if you want to see the amount of these regions, so you can see here in visualization when go to visual formats. Okay, and here you need to on this data labels. Okay, so here the value of each label is present. Okay, now if you want to put, first I need to remove this. Okay, now if you want to put filter in this chart, then how you can do that? So I want the visual of my top 5 subcategories. So just click in this filter pen, click on the subcategory, select the filter type as top n, and here I mentioned 5, and here you need to provide the column name for which you need this filter. Okay, and just apply filter, and you can see here the top 5 categories for which it is having highest sales. Okay, so that's how you can create a column chart in Power BI. Okay, and if you want to format it a bit, you can go to this visualization. Okay, go to this format your visuals, and here you have your x-axis values. You can increase or decrease the size of x-axis values, and you can change the font color, or if you go to general, then you can format, you can change the size of this graph. Okay, title, if you want to change the title, you can go do it from here, and if you want any subtitles, then you can apply that also. Okay, and if you want to change the background color, then just go to effect, and you can change the background color as per your choice. Okay, you can provide a visual borders around the corners. Okay, so it will give a nice shape to your chart. Okay, and you can also change the color of your canvas if you want. Just click anywhere on the canvas, not on the graph. Okay, and just go to visualization pen. Here you need to go to visual your report page. Okay, format your report page, and here you can go to canvas setting. Here you can choose any background images if you have, or you can just put the background color. Okay, so this is the canvas background, and its transparency is 100%. That's why it is not visible. You need to reduce the transparency. Okay, and if you can also change the transparency of this chart. Okay, If you reduce the transparency, it will more transparent. Okay, so that's how you can format your stacked column chart in Power BI. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.